Mado! Come here. Follow me. Open the garage door. Oh my. Twilight has fallen here in California. And there's a box on the porch. Oh my goodness. Can you lift it? Wow, you're strong. Okay, we got Nito as well. Okay, there we go, back to the workshop.
Don't tell me.
It's a big day here in the Droid workshop.
I knew it!
It's a little messy here in the shop, but we can't wait.
Yeah! You got the dome! Yes!
He's in there. My goodness, sure. Hold on. The welcome mat is ready. Okay, let's see some teamwork here, gentlemen.
Okay. Oh, 2 pieces.
Okay, be careful.
Put it upside down for the second.
Okay.
Let's just take this inside. Oh. Now,
Okay, so let's see.
lower it down.
That is a beautiful sight. Thank you to Darren at Granite Earth for making such a beautifully machined piece of kit. We have an Astro Droid noggin, and there is his body. It's all packed up from the move, and he's in little pieces, but this is exciting. Yeah, that's the idea. We'll get there eventually.
And we still have to cut out the stuff that's meant to be cut out.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of work to do.
It never occurred to me how big an R2-D2 would be.
High five. Maybe you'll be graduating high school by the time we get this thing finished. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And remember, your focus determines your reality.